Camaro ZL1 1LE review. This is not the regular ZL1. Yes, my back hurts. I have scoliosis. I can't drive this thing to the gym just because it's so uncomfortable. If that's what you came here to listen to, please click away and don't ever come back. Yes, she's manual. If you couldn't tell. Yes, you turn red match on, because if you don't have red match on, what are you doing? And you guys are in luck, because today I actually have the real track tires on the car. Normally I have my Michelins. Today I have the track tires, which are the Goodyear Supercar 3Rs. I have a track day Charlotte on Thursday. So yeah, we're just basically, I washed the car. I want to go take it for a little drive. She still has race fuel in her from CMP, the last Camaro video I did. But today I want to talk about what this car actually is. Yes, that's the Corsa. Yes, it has Kooks. And yeah, you can take traction control off and just... She's gonna hook today. So many people complain, oh, you can't see anything out of the Camaro. What do I need to see? What do I need to see? Can you see that house? Can you see that truck? Out the rear view, yeah, you can't see jack. So yeah, don't worry about that. It has a backup camera. And for those of you that don't know, when you park this thing, you back it in so you don't rip your lip off. This thing is an absolute unit on the track. Now I like to drive my car the way that it was made to be driven. Yes, I actually have miles on my car, 52,000. No, I'm not hiding that, because this thing is made to be driven and taken to the track and not babied and never used as a show car. These things are going extinct finally, so my value can go up, but I'm not selling this thing, because every time I think about selling it, I drive it, and then you want to keep it forever. This is my casket. You guys need to like this video so I can keep putting gas in the thing and buying these tires. Not to mention these Brembos are absolutely massive and cost your Hellcat payment. The Kooks headers, 2-inch long tube going into the Corsa. The dealership I bought it from in North Carolina had to legally put a cat system on the exhaust to sell it. I just ripped that off today, welded a little pipe through it. So yeah, she is absolutely screaming. If you listen closely, you can hear all the Karens in the background. Red match is absolutely insane, stuck behind this car here. But if you want a car that actually can turn, this is why you want to go with the 1LE and not the regular ZL1. Regular ZL1, I think of a nice, comfortable, powerful drag car that you can build into something crazy. The 1LE is like that, but on steroids that could actually take turn. So I get it, Hellcats, they make noise, you hear the whine, this, that, the other. I'm not too worried about that, because when your car is loud enough, the only way you're hearing that whine is on the outside of the car. Because on the inside, all I'm hearing is Corsa and Kooks headers making sweet love back there. That is just insane. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now, what ZL1 review is actually going to show you this? Risking jail time. I want this to be the best video ever on the channel, so make sure you like this thing. So jail time is necessary in a 27-year-old with a 1LE. Not to mention, she can take this turn without even thinking about it. Yeah, that is how I like to actually use my car. She's not just sitting in a garage with PPF on it just in case a rock falls. I like my cars with rock chips, with some miles, with a roll cage, with headers, no warranty, depreciation rising. Yeah, that's how I like my cars. She is a track animal that is street legal. in Europe, they at one point said it was illegal because the canards would injure people. You can fact check me on that. You want to talk about brakes, these Brembos, aka the dinner plates, they're ready for anything you can throw at it. Oh, I need to leave traction control on so I could actually save my tires for a track day. If you're still on this video right now, I commend you. Thank you for actually watching a rear car review. Yes, I have scoliosis. Yes, I can't see anything out of my Camaro because it's a Camaro. My back is hurting me. Yada, 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 yada. If you don't want a track car, you do not buy the 1LE. If you buy the 1LE for looks, congratulations on buying a track car that you're not going to track. But this is the best bang for your buck. They're going to go around. I want to say they're less than 60 now. $60,000. You can find a clean one right now. This is the car I would grab. I wouldn't grab anything else. Only thing comparable I would say is always going to be a C6 Z06 is my guess. That's the only thing I would say that I would pick probably as a track car over this car. And you guys can feel free to leave whatever you want in the comments, whatever you suggest under 60,000 for a track car. But this is my pick. Obviously it's my car, I'm biased. This is what I like. It looks beautiful, it sounds beautiful. It's not a car that your wife or girlfriend wants to be in, so you need to know that. But you're doing this for you, young king, okay? This is for you. You're allowed to spoil yourself, treat yourself, okay? Sometimes you just got to go buy the ZL1 1LE and just know that she's not texting on her phone while she's in the car. That phone's gonna hit her in the face. This is my second one that I've had. I mistakenly sold my first one for a profit, thinking I was doing something, a young businessman. And then a couple months later, I bought the same exact car, more miles, more mods, and I've regretted nothing. Second car, I got the roll cage back here, that's pretty sick. Added some more carbon. It's got pulley, headers. What else? It has meth kit from previous owner. Has the 85 capable, I'm not running that. I just like 93. Eventually I would like to get a bigger blower on the girl. With the stock 650 horsepower, 650 torque. You can actually enjoy this thing to its fullest, knowing that yes, the suspension is made to be stiff for the track. You gotta remember, track oriented car. And she can do that without even thinking. Absolute paradise. I have a buddy Matt, he is an absolute animal in the mountains. We need to take it back up and we're going to get him all cameraed up because he can actually show you the amount of fun that you can have in one of these in the mountains. He's crazy. I like to go a little bit crazier at the track. He goes crazy in the mountains. I'll link his channel down below, so go check out some of his mountain videos. But YouTube, this is my girl, 2018 ZL1 1LE. Starting up front, we have the APR Racing front splitter, carbon of course. Stock hood, keep the wrap. So at the side you see we got the brand new Eagle Supercar 3Rs, the real ones. Like I said, we still have the stock wheel for the track, which I like. I got 50% tint on the windshield. We have the matching roof wrap to the hood, carbon on your mirrors, because why not flex on them? If your car is newer, get this PPF, because you can see with all of those before I put on the rock guards that I missed. So I have the deluxe carbon rock guards, ZL1 add-ons. Thanks for not paying me, but it's okay. ZL1 add-ons, rock guards, the nicer ones. You're gonna get a lot of rock chips there. The previous owner put on the iRock on the back there. I don't mind it. A lot of people hate it, so it makes me like it because people hate it. Got the carbon antenna cover. Thing looks like a shark. If you can hear me, that's the Corsa APR wing stock tails. I need to upgrade those. But check out this APR wing, man. I got the surfboard on the back, ultimate downforce. Oh, definitely upgrade these if you can, if you want to. Those black lights look really good. Gas cap cover, last owner did that. Inside's a little dirty, don't mind that. Got the carbon on the dash, carbon around the radio. Got a little Wayne up top, you know. Carbon shift knob, carbon around the... There's the Cage, Studio RSR, I believe. The matching white, that looks absolutely sick. With the seat delete, shout out Nick Cage on the Cage. Yeah, Nick Cage is on the Cage. Let me show you the carbon wheel. On the inside here, I love having the carbon everywhere, the big paddles, even though it's just for rev match. The carbon wheel just has a good feel to it. The seats, the stock seats are great. I'm probably gonna switch them out just so I can run a harness in here, because for whatever reason they put these beautiful Recaros but with no cutouts. Makes no sense, unless I'm just gonna stab a knife in there and run the harness through, which I'm tempted to do, because you got heating and cooled seats in a track car. Like, how bougie can you get? I want to thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video. I hope I did good for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. You guys take it easy. Have a great day.